So we started in Airport Road in our very well-known showroom in Garhoud. It has been a very successful period. So since then we've added several brands, and for that there was a need for expansion. So each brand needed its own demo space, more space for support. This is when we have decided to expand into this second location, which will be our main location actually. So 2 years ago we've moved our warehouses, our service center into the new location in Silicon Oasis. So we really thought about this move not as just more space, but as a better customer experience. It's one place for all the services, so the customer can come here, check the equipment, demo it, meet the right person, take the information he needs, and he can take delivery of the product here, and he can come here for after-sales support. With the expansion of the portfolio, there was a need for a superior demo space as well. For that we needed, of course, higher ceiling, but also a superior sound acoustics, sound isolation, which is something we have worked hard to have. We have also thought about this space as a permanent training center for customers. We're really thinking about sessions of not just training with a big room and someone giving a lecture, but more of a small group sitting with a trainer and acquiring knowledge. So we're very happy today to be fully operational in our new location in Dubai Silicon Oasis, and we hope that we will be able to give customers the experience they expect, which is superior premium experience that reflects the premium brands that we carry, that reflects the premium experience that we want to give our customers.